How do you prepare for your client reviews, be it quarterly business reviews, QBRs, or technical business reviews if they're bi-weekly, whenever you meet with the client, how do you prepare for them? Under operations, we have something called Client Summary, one of the most popular panels that we have. Simply it opens a little wizard here. Simply type in the first couple characters of a client, choose the date range, whatever you're reviewing, the last 14 days, the current quarter, last quarter. You can always put in an ad hoc date there as well. You choose next. From here, the last step, you want to see all of this information here. Choose the out to go to Excel, click Finish, and voila, within seconds, you have all of the data pouring out for that corporation in that time period. Come out into Excel with charts. It takes all the time of pulling all that data out of ConnectWise Manage into a quick way in less than 20 seconds. 3 questions asked. You pull it all out. Now you have it in Excel, and you're very much prepared for your meeting with your client. Since it's in Excel, you can expand upon it, write notes in it, and take it from there. But it used to take us 4 to 8 hours to prepare for our QBRs with our clients. And now with this, it only takes minutes, gets all the data out, and then we can decide what to do. Client Summary under Operations. You will absolutely love it. It's a time saver and a great, great panel, Client Summary.